friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will find the divisors of 57. If you want to learn more about divisors, please visit mathstoon.com or you can check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Firstly, we will find all the ways in which we can divide 57. We will start from 1. 57 divided by 1 is 57. Hence, 1 and 57 are the divisors of 57. Next number 2 does not divide 57 as this is an odd number. So we will try for 3. 57 divided by 3 is 19. Hence, 3 and 19 are the divisors of 57. Now there is no number between 3 and 19 which can divide 57. So we will stop right now. Now we have all the divisors of 57 in orange colors. These numbers are 1, 3, 19 and 57. So the total number of divisors of 57 is 4. Now if we look at these divisors, we can see that 3 and 19 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and this number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 57 are 3 and 19. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos.